All right, Stetson, now we need to make it square like this one over at the saw. So see all these rough edges, uneven edges. So let's take these three that we sanded down over to the chop saw. I don't know if the chop saw will do that big one. Might have to do that one different, but yeah, let's check it out. All right, Stetson, so we're gonna cut these ends and make them square. This might be too. Right. I don't know if you'll be able to get like a close up. Worked out pretty good. Kind of chipped right there. Well, we'll round it off with the router or the chamber cable. Okay, board number 2. Here we go. All right, then we got it cut. Okay, we're gonna have to square this one up on the table saw and use the miter gauge. And so that's how we're gonna do it on this one.